Will the Tesla bot change the world forever? Imagine a robot that not only looks like us but also works, learns, and constantly evolves. Enter the Tesla bot. What if it becomes more than just a helper, redefining everyday life and reshaping industries? Let's dive into how this groundbreaking tech could blur the line between science fiction and reality. The Tesla bot isn't just a gadget, it's designed to perform human-like tasks, cooking, cleaning, carrying, and even aiding in caregiving. Picture a world where mundane chores are automated, giving you more time to focus on what matters. Is this incredible convenience worth the trade-offs we might not see coming? Businesses could be entirely transformed. From factories to creative industries, Tesla bots could handle dangerous tasks or brainstorm ideas alongside humans. But what impact will this have on jobs? Are we ready for a workforce powered by machines that challenge the very way we define work? With cutting-edge AI driving these bots, we must ask, where do we draw the line? Could they surpass human limitations and make decisions we can't predict? The Tesla bot may not just change the world, it could compel us to rethink what it means to be human. Will we control the Tesla bot, or will it redefine us? Subscribe, comment, and share your takes on this futuristic leap. Let's unravel the future together.